Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can add the shadow in your image in Canva Pro video editor in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Canva application. After that, click on plus icon and search here for the size whatever you want. For example, I want to select Instagram post size. Click on it. So after that you have to click on uploads, and from here you can upload your file in which you want to add shadow. In my case, I have already uploaded my image in which I want to add shadow, so I will just click on it, and you can see our image has been added to the canvas. From here you can adjust the size of your image whatever you want. For example, I want to select this size, and after that click on effects. Before adding the shadow effect, we will remove the background, so click on BG remover. It takes some time and depends upon the speed of your internet, but it very smoothly removes background of your image. So after removing the background, we will add shadow in the image. As my internet speed is little bit slow, so it takes more time. But in your case, if your internet speed is high, then this will definitely take very minimal time. So you can see Canva has removed the background of this image very easily. So after that we have to upload the shadow. So to click on effects, and then you can see here shadow. This football icon, click on shadow, and this will provide you different options for shadow. So click on it, and here you can see different options for shadow. For example, I click on it, and you can see our shadow has been added. You can adjust shadow, click on it, and from here you can adjust the size of shadow. From here you can adjust the blur amount of your shadow, and from here you can select the distance of the shadow or angle of the shadow. From here you can select the color of shadow whatever you want. You can select the color of shadow. So you can see from here you can select any shadow color. You can see it becomes red. So after that I will show you another shadow option. So click on it and then click on effects. After that you have to click on effects, and here you can see shadow options. Okay, this time we will test this option, second one, and you can see this shadow is added, and from here you can similarly adjust the size, blur amount, angle and distance whatever. So guys, in this way you can add the shadow to your image in Canva Pro in very simple steps. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.